So, you just uploaded another video that took you hours to make. And now you can't wait for it to go viral. But, oh no, not again. Crickets. Why am I not getting more views? Good chance it's your thumbnail. What? Yep, your thumbnails. According to YouTube, the #1 factor that influences people to watch your video is the thumbnail. And as the saying goes, you don't get a second chance to make a first impression. And guess what? Your thumbnail is your first impression on YouTube. You may have the most awesome video ever, but if nobody clicks on it, they will never find out. So, what can you do to create engaging thumbnails? If you rather not do them yourself, you can subcontract them out. You can go to freelance sites like Fiverr, Upwork or Flex Jobs. But that could take up to a week and cost you anywhere from $5 to $25 per thumbnail. So if you post 3 videos a week, that's almost $4,000 per year. Yikes, that's a lot of money. Or if you decide, you can create them yourself. Sites like Canva, PicMonkey or Photoshop are good. But what if you don't have the time, energy, or skills? What then are your options? Recently, I came across an artificial intelligence-based software called Thumbnail Blaster. You can create attention-grabbing thumbnails in literally minutes. And it's pretty cool. They have 3 steps to follow and I found it super easy. Number 1, you select a template. Number 2, you click, edit, and customize it. Number 3, you save and publish it. What else is cool is, you can upload it directly to your YouTube account to save time. But what else does it take to make a really good thumbnail? Here are 5 thumbnail hacks that I think will help you. Number 1, get inspiration from fellow YouTubers, but always be original. See what type of images and colors other top YouTubers use. And put your own spin on it. Do they use emojis, arrows, what kind of background image is it? Number 2, stick with a consistent thumbnail template. This is a great way to brand yourself. Returning visitors will know your videos right away. Use bright colors that attract the eye. Whatever colors you choose, make sure you are consistent. The same holds true for your text fonts. Be consistent. Number 3, keep up with the times and trends. Follow the most recent thumbnail trends that are getting views. Again, get some inspiration from them and then create your own version. Pro tips. Super expressive images get more attention. Crazy face. Happy face. Sad face. Shocked face. Bewildered face, all work well. Number 4, hone your skills and get better. Once you decide on a template, split test different variations. Make minor color changes to see which thumbnails work best and are more effective. This may sound overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. All of this can literally be done in minutes with Thumbnail Blaster. They have over 30 templates to choose from. These can be edited to your liking. The software is drag and drop, so you don't need to be tech savvy. You can create thumbnails for any video platform, not just YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. What I really like is the cost. No monthly fee, you buy it once. It's cloud-based, so no need to download any software. And the best part is it is so inexpensive. Under $40. I have now switched to Thumbnail Blaster for my videos. I created the thumbnail for this video with it. For the cost of paying someone else to create a few thumbnails, you can create them yourself forever. Quick and easy. Definitely worth checking out. There is a link in the description to the company's website below. Let me know what you use to create your thumbnails. If you have found this video useful, give me a like or thumbnails up. Thanks for watching.